माननीय रिकी एंड्रयू सिंघकॉन।
Thank you, Madam Chairperson, for allowing me to speak. Madam, the future, whether good or bad, depends on our action today. On this note, I would like to, through you, Madam Speaker, to remind that in 2014, NGT had imposed a ban on mining and transportation of coal in the state of Meghalaya. However, it is very unfortunate that till today there are a group of people known in our state as high level who have continuously and blatantly violated this ban, and even the government machinery which is supposed to ensure the enforcement of this ban have failed miserably to enforce this ban. And the leading newspaper of Meghalaya, Shillong Times, dated 26/3/2025, reported that more than 1.92 lakh metric tons of illegal coal have been detected.
Jai Jagannath.